Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another makeup quick tips video. Yes, I finally decided on what to name the series. I've done something this week. If you are new here, this is a new series that I have started on my channel, and basically all of the videos in this series are going to be quick, short, to the point videos about specific issues that I know you guys have with your makeup application or with, anything to do with beauty or hair or nails or whatever it is. And basically it's a really quick video that targets that problem, shows you a solution, and hopefully helps you a whole lot in your life with your makeup, with anything. It's basically makeup quick tips, exactly like the series title. So today's video, we're talking about blending eyeshadow. I know that there are so many of you that have issues with this, and today I'm going to be showing you a really super easy, quick, fast trick. Honestly, it takes literally 2 seconds. It's going to help you blend out your eyeshadow perfectly, whether it's a smoky eye, whether it's a cut crease, whether it's like a little bit of blending underneath the lower lash line, whatever it is. This tip is seriously life-changing, and it will just make blending eyeshadows, especially dark colors, dark matte colors, it's going to make blending them so much easier. So yes, if you're interested in learning about it, then please stick around. All right, so here is a classic example of patchy eyeshadow. You can see the lines in the crease there, and sometimes, and I'm sure you've all been in this situation, you can continue blending and blending with the same brush or even a clean brush until the ends of time, and it just stays patchy and looking horrid, right? Yeah, we've all been there. Well, and I know this isn't something that we've all been told to do before, but I want you to take a shimmer color in exactly the same color tone as the matte that you were trying to blend. So here you can see I've got the matte brown that I was trying to blend, and then a shimmery brown in a matching color tone. And I'm gonna take a fluffy blending brush, and all I'm gonna do is gently sweep that shimmery color on that blending brush over the area where I am having troubles and difficulties in getting that shadow to blend. And you'll see, literally in front of your eyes, the way that matte eyeshadow will then melt out into a beautiful blended crease. Now, I know that this is something that we're told not to do. It's always been an old school makeup rule. Do not ever use shimmers through the crease, but shimmer eyeshadows have got larger particles in it, if that sort of makes sense, larger pigment particles. And those pigment particles, they actually cause like a bit of a grittiness or like a bit of a texture. And that texture in the shadow helps the shadow blend out into the skin. It erases any of those harsh lines, and it erases any of that patchiness. It's absolutely amazing, and it literally takes 2 seconds of your time. Like, there is no skill whatsoever needed to achieve this, and you will just get the most absolutely perfect blend ever. Here is another example with a purple eyeshadow. See how there's like a harsh line on the top of that shadow, and I've been blending at this for ages. I'm taking a shimmery color in a matching or similar tone, so I could have chosen the light purple or the dark purple just on a blending brush, and I'm going to sweep that shimmery color over the top of that patchy eyeshadow. And again, you'll watch right in front of your eyes as that patchiness just completely disappears and melts away into the skin. It's honestly, it's like watching a miracle happen. Like, it's seriously so life-changing and so easy to achieve. All right, guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope that you found it helpful. Please, if you've got any more questions about blending eyeshadows, about what you need to do, about, any other handy tips, please pop them in the comment section down below. I do have a whole heap of other tricks for eyeshadow blending. But yeah, like I said, each of these videos is like on one specific thing. So today's video, I hope that it helped. I hope that it changes your life as much as it has changed mine, especially, bearing in mind that it is something that we're told not to do. Yeah, don't always listen to old school makeup rules. They're not always correct. But yes, please give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, if it did help you. And as always, if you have any requests for, any issues that you are having, it does not matter how little it is or how big it is, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to do an episode in this series on it. All right, guys, I love you so much. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.